Hello from Kata Beach. Hello from paradise. It is 23rd of December 2024 and it is currently 1:30 p.m. and we have 31 degrees Celsius in the air, and I am out for another beach adventure here at Kata Beach. And now I am approximately around at the middle of the beach, and I found one more peaceful spot. But I think there are a lot of less people today on the beach compared to when I was here last time 1 week ago. But still, here today it is so sunny and nice, and I really need to get some shadow after this swim, as the sun is now so high up in the sky, and Thailand is near the equator, so meaning that the radiation of the sun is also much higher compared to Sweden. Even in the high end of summer in Sweden, it is the UV index will never reach more than 6, which is moderate. And here it is basically now 9, which is the highest, obviously. So you need to be careful if you go to Thailand. And yeah, it's quite nice beach, Kata Beach, located on the Phuket island, and one of the popular places where tourists are staying for their vacations, especially when they want to escape the winters in the northern Europe that are currently ongoing. To be fair, I miss a bit that cold, dry air and the snow. To me, it is more challenging to take a swim in a cold ice lake, frozen even then, than to take a swim in this one, this Andaman Sea that is 29 degrees warm. It's not a challenge at all. Basically, you don't feel any chilliness or coldness, which I usually would like to have when I go in for a swim. But if you are only swimming into warm waters, then this one is for you. For sure. So check out how the sea looks like, and the beach as well. So I am not adding any filter to this video. This is how it looks like. As you can see on the video, this is real time, real life experience of Kata Beach. Very nice. All right, then let's get going and take a swim in paradise, or Kata Beach, as you would like. Wow. No, that's amazing. That's amazing. Just look at the color of the water. So fantastic. Beautiful. Just chilling in paradise. Cool. Then I'm gonna be chilling here all day long at Kata Beach and enjoy the nice sea with some more swims and some sunbathing later in the day, because now the sun is too hot. So thank you so much for watching this episode, one day before Christmas Eve, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.